issue here. Let me bring in my guest. Joining me this hour, criminal defense attorney Marie Pereira and trial attorney Holly Davis. Got us covered on both coasts. Thank you both for joining us today. Truly appreciate it. And Holly, I'll start with you. As I said, the state has rested their case, and normally the first question I would ask is, hey, have they proven their case? I don't think that's that much of an issue here, correct?
That's right. I mean, how many cases do we cover, Michael, where the defendant goes and spends so much time describing in such great detail the murder and their thought processes around it? So the interview of the defendant is, the worst evidence for the defendant, and that's just highly unusual. So it looks like she did it. We all have been spending time today listening to her describe that, and I think it's really important that the interview elicited specific details from the defendant, like how long it took her to dismember the victim and things like that, because I think that's shoring up the prosecution's argument that she is, not insane, and thereby can't use her defense of criminal insanity. Because if you're insane, you're not going to be able to be so aware of the time that you're spending while you're committing the murder and things like that. So I was looking at those details in the interview, and I found that to be pretty important for the prosecution, Michael.
Yeah, I agree. And Marie, as you look at